Good morning, teachers. As the new admission process is going on in mostly all the classes, so all the class teachers need to add their class student to MS Team. In our Vidyalaya, teachers are using their mobile phones to use MS Team. So I have prepared this video to assist those teachers in the process of adding a new user to MS Team and resetting the password of an existing students in MS Team using mobile. So we have to go on the browser window, Google, and here in the search bar we have to type Office 365 login. Then you have to select the first site, that is www.office.com. When you select it, you just have to give your correct ID. You just select sign in option first of all, and then you will provide your correct ID. Then it will ask for the password. Here I am using one of our teachers ID login account, so that the process should be more clear to you. I am using a normal account for adding a user and resetting the password of the user. It's not an admin account. So here I will have to provide the password, and after typing the password, you have to select sign in. If you want to continue sign in your mobile, then you will click yes, otherwise you will press no. I am selecting it as yes. Now here, when the first window will be opened, the third option is there, that is admin option. The first one is Outlook, calendar. After you are having the admin option, you have to select this admin option. In this admin option, you are having two tabs. First is the user management tab, and the other one is the training and guide tab. You have to use the user management tab. In this tab, we are having all the facilities related to the users, like adding user, editing the detail of a user, how to reset a password of a student, and how can we delete a user. First of all, we will start with the add user functionality. We will select add user. Now if the site will not be displayed proper in your window, then you have to click on the upper left corner. Here 3 dots are there. Click on it and just check after the desktop site option. Now your window will be just like the desktop site visible on the laptop. Now here you have to provide the details of the user you want to add. You have to provide the first name. Suppose I am creating a dummy user. I have given the first name as dummy. You can give the last name also. Then it will automatically take the display name. You can change it also. But while specifying the username, you should remember the pattern we have followed for username. That is 00 followed by the admission number of the student, suppose 2345, and then the name of the student, here dummy. DUMMY. So you will have to select like this only. You have to give the name of the student like this only. Now here two options are there, password under password setting, auto generated password, and let me create the password. If you want the Teams will generate the password, you will select the first one. Otherwise it will be better. It will be preferable to create the password yourself. I am creating it myself. I am giving it as dummy @123 You have to give a proper password here, strong password. Then if you want to send the password to your mail ID, there is option. Two options are there after this password, that is require this user to change their password. Just uncheck it. It is saying that whenever the user will log into his account, he will be prompted first for resetting the password. If you want the student to reset the password, then check on this option. Otherwise you can uncheck it. Second option is send the password to email. If you want this password to be sent to your email, you just check this button and then you can provide your email account here. After you can provide Gmail account also here in the space provided just after it. Now after doing all the settings, you will press next at the bottom of the window. Now it will be asking for, here you have to please remember something. Here whenever you are creating the student user, then in the assign user a product license, you have to check on the second option, that is Office 365 A1 for student. Please remember this setting. Whenever you are creating a password for a student, you have whenever you are creating an account for a user, you have to check on the second option of assign user a product license. Second option is Office 365 A1 for student. Please remember this setting, and then you have to press on the next button. If you want to change the role, it's no needed, you just press on the next button. Now here the complete student account is created. You will click on the finish editing button. So here you get the details of your student. If you want to see the password, you can press the show button just after the password option. So here this is the way how we can create a new user in MS Team. Now how can we reset a password? The second option, how can we reset our existing student password? So for that you have to go again on the user management, and here in this user management, after edit a user, you are having an arrow button. Just select the arrow button, and first option is reset password. You click on this reset password button. Now again a window will be opened up in front of you. Just type the enrollment or the account ID of that student. I have used 00 dummy 003245. I think, I don't remember. It's 2345, and just check this button. Just check the button in the front of the username and choose on select. Now here you will specify the password. Suppose whatever you want to give, dhk@245. Now here the button is there, resetting the password. You just click on the one thing more, option is there, make the user change their password when they first sign in. If you want the student to reset the password again when he will opening his login account first time, then check on this, otherwise it will be unchecked. If you want the user to create the password, you have to check on it, otherwise you will remain it like that only, and then you will press on the reset button. It's showing it's a weak password. You have to add up something more. Now it's strong, and you will check on the reset button. If you want to send the password to a Gmail account or Microsoft account, you will type this account here. Here it is already written, neelamagrawal@kvdadri on Microsoft. Send email and close. Just select send email and close. So these are the steps you can follow to add a user and resetting the password of a user. I think this session is very useful for you. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.